Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for coming on this channel. And hope you like the content I share. In this video, I want to focus on my ASD struggle, so my struggles with autism. And I was an high functioning autistic adult. So, what this means is when you are high functioning, you will function in the world, but you will feel that inner resistance and lot of stress from within. And that was reflecting in the way I used to communicate and express myself. My communication and articulation skills were really poor. I used to feel so drained when I had to frame the sentences, especially in English language. That used to drain me out constantly. And this was like every single day I used to feel this inner resistance and this discomfort while speaking and communicating. So I used to live in this shutdown state all the time. I have lived into that state where anything like responding to anyone over the phone, I would always choose to chat with them, and then there was no enthusiasm in the communication. That's what I will say, that my ASD brain never had any enthusiasm towards communication and connecting with people, expressing myself, articulating myself. That was a big challenge, and it has reflected in my work performance consistently for past, I would say, 20 years. And also in my college days, because then you don't take initiative, you don't want to lead anything, you just want to do things. And because you know that you will not be able to articulate, you will not be able to present information when you have to prepare so much, and then that preparation itself is so draining. It used to exhaust me. Preparing for simple meetings used to just exhaust me. It is not just about communication, but it is about like everything from reading, writing. All those things used to strain me because I was having both ADHD and ASD. So it depends on what level of brain's functioning we have got from the genetics, and that impacts our life. But what I have learned now through my inner child integration work, that it was all, I would say, the struggles of my old self. And these struggles were only the message from the universe that I have to start integrating with my inner child. When we start integrating with our inner child, our brain starts feeling calmness from within. And this calmness activates our thriving responses. So, analytical reasoning, being in present moment, active listening, focus, attention, these are all the natural responses of a happy brain. Communication, articulation, these are all our inner skills. So practice will make us confident. But until we don't have our brain fully functional and working for us, we will always feel this inner resistance. And this inner resistance then reflects in our lack of self-worth and self-confidence in expressing in the world. That is why it is so important. So once I started working on all my energy centers, from the root to up to when I came up to the throat, I started feeling that my voice and my expressions are changing. I'm very calm. Like slowly, I started becoming calmer. And the more I became calm from inside, the better my thought processing became. The better my brain is able to coordinate between my sense perception, and that reflects in my ability to communicate effectively. Even if you see my previous videos, I was really struggling from inside in making those videos, and after making one video I used to feel tired and exhausted for the day, and I used to feel like it's done, I cannot do more. So this tiredness and exhaustion, this brain fog, this is telling that our brain needs our help, and we have to create this safe space within ourselves. And until we do not do this, we will keep struggling, hustling and pushing hard. And all our struggles are only going to be magnified and intensified over the time. That is why it is very important to take charge of our mental health right now. And mental health issues cannot be solved with medications. Diagnosis of the condition is good, so that we aware, we acknowledge, we accept our situation, and then we also start setting our boundaries. But inner child integration is different. It brings a different kind of integrity within ourselves. The feeling is so real and it is physiological. It is not just in the subconscious. Your brain, once it starts feeling safe, relaxed from within, it automatically starts doing a lot of things for us, and our serving ability in the world is dependent on this. So if we have inner resistance, we will never be able to serve in the world effortlessly. So yes, taking care of all these aspects in managing our autism, especially for high functioning autistic adults, I'll say this, that the inner child integration is going to sort all our problems, in all your problems will be solved. So hope this inspires you and motivates you to seek your inner child integration work and choose yourself. This is the way to choose ourselves. This is the way to support our brain and our body. Effortlessly, they will become this natural serving machines. And it, like, we all need boundaries, so but you will feel that ease within everything you are doing, the grace, that you will start doing everything with grace and inner love. So that's the real and the physiological thing. So yeah, thank you so much for listening to me, and please do like, subscribe and follow my channel. This is heaps help for me, and I'll see you again. Bye.